We don't want to be having no dark video. We don't be, none of that, because we got to keep people interested, okay? And if they click on your video and it's dark and then it's blurry, I can't see nothing. Who wants to watch that? My name is Lacostawhitehead, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I am going to be telling you how to record on your iPhone, you guys. Yes, what? Your iPhone, okay? So if you want to get some tips and tricks on what you need to do to record on your iPhone, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so I have my iPad sitting here in front of me. I have notes because, this brain, it just doesn't work during the weekend. I'm off. It doesn't work, okay? It starts back working at 7:45 on Monday morning, okay? Okay. All right, tip number one. You need to have a YouTube channel. Like, if you're serious about starting a YouTube channel and you want to know how to record with your iPhone for your YouTube videos, you need to make that YouTube channel. Go ahead and make that YouTube channel. It's easy. Step number two. What is step number two? Get you an iPhone. I don't know if you got one already, but if you're asking how to record with your iPhone, I would think you already have an iPhone. But if you don't, get you an iPhone. Step number three, make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone. Meaning, if you have 1,200 gazillion photos on your phone and 5,000 videos, you may not have enough storage. So you may need to go through and clean that mess out, okay? Because we do not want an error message saying you can't record because you don't have enough storage. Take care of that, okay? Okay. Also, go along with storage, make sure on your settings that you have your settings at the highest setting. We are going to go ahead and put that on the screen somewhere. I don't know where, but I'm going to show you exactly how to update your settings. We want to have our quality as clear as possible because we are using our iPhone, and we want to be up there with the top dogs. We don't want to be having no blurred video. We don't want to be having no dark video. We don't be, none of that, because we got to keep people interested, okay? And if they click on your video and it's dark and then it's blurry, I can't see nothing. Who wants to watch that? Not me, and I'm sure not nobody else. So handle that too. All right, you guys, step 4, you need to figure out what are you going to be recording on your YouTube videos. So, are you going to be a vlogger? Are you going to be talking about cooking? You're going to be doing hair, playing videos. What are you going to be doing? Are you going to be doing a combination, of things? Right now, I can't give you any advice on that because I am a smaller YouTube channel and I'm working on that myself. So, for instance, I do hair, but I am about to try to navigate other realms of YouTube to add to my channel. So, yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. Tip 5? Tip number 5, you guys. Where are you wanting to record? Are you recording in your bathroom because you're doing a hair video? Are you recording at a desk area because you're doing makeup? Are you recording in your bedroom because you're playing a game? I mean, how are you recording? And depending on how you're recording is what's going to lead me into the next thing, lighting. For me, I just got a ring light, but for the longest, I have been recording in the bathroom, and my bathroom lighting was sufficient. I got a ring light because I just wanted to get a ring light. It was not something that I needed to get. It was not something that I needed. It was not a necessity. It was a want, to be honest. The best lighting to use is natural light. Now, the cons of using natural light is you have to kind of record during the daytime, okay? Okay, now we have that. But yes, the best lighting is natural lighting. As long as people can see you, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. But you don't have to buy all this extra stuff. You know, just make sure for what you got, especially when you're first starting your channel, because you don't know if you want to stick to it. You know, how would you feel if you went out here and bought a Sony, a Nikon, I don't know, I don't know what kind of cameras they got out here, Canon, and you bought a tripod, you done bought all these lights and stuff, you got a whole production going on, you make one video and you're like, oh no, this ain't for me. Well, what you gonna do with all this stuff? Start out budgeting. Okay, start out on the budget. You don't really have to get much of anything and move up, because YouTube is hard. I mean, YouTube is, you have to be consistent. It's you have to put in dedication. Things don't go your way sometimes, and you like, what am I doing wrong? It just takes time. YouTube is a marathon. It is not a sprint. Okay? Okay. So I want to show you guys my setup. This is my office, my sit down setup, my ring light, how my phone is sitting. Also take note how my phone is actually sitting in the tripod, and this is my bathroom setup. Tip number 6, you need to figure out what your stand situation is going to be. Are you gonna put your phone up on some books? Are you gonna get a tripod? Let me show you. Let me get my tripod. Hold on. Are you gonna get a tripod? Are you gonna use books? What are you gonna use? So for me, I bought this tripod from Amazon. I don't really know how much it was. If I can find it on my past orders, I will definitely put it on the screen. My phone goes in here. It moves up and down. So of course, and it moves up and down, and it also sits. So let's show if it's gonna act right. Okay. So yeah, this is how it sits, and my phone sits in here. So this is what I use. Honestly, I started my YouTube channel a few years ago, and when I first started, because I was doing hair videos, I would hang my phone up on my mirror in the bathroom with tape. Yeah, with tape. So I did not have a tripod back then. I actually just got this tripod a few years ago. So like I said, when I first started, I was using tape in my mirror, and I taped it up. Could I see if I was in focus? No, I couldn't. I just had to depend on my handy dandy iPhone. And for me, I know that iPhone is a good performing phone, and it has great cameras on it. Right now, I am recording with my iPhone 10 or X or whatever you call it, but I think I actually started recording my YouTube videos with the iPhone 6. So I have come a long way. So yeah, just make sure you do, like I said, you don't have to buy nothing. You don't have to buy anything. Just start and use what you got. Start and use what you got. Tip number 7. Tip number 7 is, do you use the front lens or the back lens? The front lens is the lens that you use to take selfies with, and the back lens is the lens that you use to take pictures or videos when you're looking at something else. Me personally, I like to use my back lens. I have used my front lens before for videos, and I just feel like the quality is not the same as the back lens. It's not really, I know that the quality is not the same. When I go to change my camera from my front lens, from my back lens to my front lens, the resolution changes and it shows up on the screen. So there. I recommend using the back camera, but you do what you do. Do what you do, player, do what you do. All right, so tip number 8, make sure your lens is clean. Okay, it is easy for us just to pop our phone up, hit the record button, and just go. But if your lens is clean and you're blurry, then I mean, and then you didn't record a whole 10-minute or an hour video and trying to edit it down to 10 minutes, and your whole video is like, the quality is not there. It makes you aggravated. Have I ever been through that? No, but I do make sure to clean my lens. Okay? Okay. Tip number 9, you guys. We have made it to tip number 9, which is hit the record button. Hit the record record button and hit the record button. It is time to record, you guys. So you got your phone, you got your channel, you got your phone, you got where you want to record, you got your setup, you got your lighting, you know, wiped off your phone, you made sure your storage is great. What else is there to do than to hit the record button? Hit that record button. Once we're done recording, you edit, you make a thumbnail, and you upload it to YouTube. Okay? Okay. Editing, thumbnail, and uploading to YouTube, I will be making more videos, but I need to make sure that this video is something that is going to grow on my channel. So I have to see where this video goes first before I go putting my time and energy into making those other videos. Please like this video. Comment on this video that you would like to see other YouTube related videos, and also subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I do plan on doing a editing video from my iPhone because I edit my video from my iPhone. I have a MacBook, I have an iPad, but I strictly edit from my iPhone because I feel like it is more convenient for me. I make thumbnails from my iPhone, so if you want to see that, follow those directions. And then I also upload my video through my iPhone. Now don't get me wrong, I do my tag research and my title research and all that stuff through my MacBook because I use TubeBuddy, but I also have the TubeBuddy app on my phone. So I pretty much do everything from my phone. So if you guys want to see how to do everything YouTube related from your phone, hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and comment in the comments below that you want to see those type of videos. Okay? Okay. I have given you 12 tips on how to record on your iPhone. This is such an accomplishment, you guys. If you have not done so, you guys, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. Again, if you want to see other YouTube related videos, tips, tricks, and how to use your iPhone to do practically everything, let me know down in the comments. Okay? Let's chit chat. Hit me up in the comments. Share this video out, you guys, to people who may need some tips on how to use the iPhone to record their YouTube video. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace out.